Hey there, trendsetters, and welcome back to our channel. Getting tired of those puffy dark circles underneath your eyes? Well, I have some do-it-yourself recipes that you could probably find right in the kitchen of your house. The first mixture is the Aloe Vera Mask. As you can see, it's a gel and it hydrates and helps heal the skin. You want to mix that with coffee, which decreases the puffiness, and it also tightens your skin. And then finally, olive oil, which contains vitamin E and K, which help nourish the skin to eventually help take away the dark pigmentation. Now, vitamin K helps strengthens the skin. Now, you can use the cotton pads to apply it, or you can cut up napkins into smaller squares. And then next, you want to take the napkin and dip it into the mask mixture. You want to then apply it under your eyes, and once applied, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, in this case, if you don't know already, I'm going to use this time, yes, my 15 minutes, to have a little dance break, okay? And then after, you are going to rinse it off. Now, my results, I did start to see puffiness go down. Now, obviously, to see the dark pigmentation go down, you're going to have to implement it into your regimen on a daily basis. Now it's time for mixture number 2. We are heading to the coffee. Okay, for this next one, we're gonna add some coconut oil and pepper to the mixture. A fun fact about this one is that the coffee and pepper act as an anti-inflammatory substance to help reduce eye puffiness, and the coconut oil acts as a skin nourishment agent. So you can also apply coconut oil by itself right on your skin during your daily regimen. Apply it evenly right underneath your eyes with your ring finger, because it's the most gentle finger, and you usually want to apply it by patting it or rubbing it in a circular soft motion to apply it. Leave the scrub mix on for 10 to 15 minutes, and after, wipe it off, and like I said, continuously use it to see the results. Mixture number 3. Well, it's not a mixture per se, but it helps to get the job done. Now, you're going to take a lemon for this one, which you probably already have in your kitchen, and slice it into pieces. Now, I just did half of the lemon for this one, as you can see, and then you're going to apply it to the bottom of each eye. Now, lemons are amazing because they naturally tone dark and they brighten the skin, and they also have a natural bleaching property in it, aka it works wonders for your under eyes. And then you're gonna leave it on for about 2 minutes and wipe it off. Again, be persistent to see these results. Okay, those were my top 3 do-it-yourself mixtures to reduce eye puffiness and to also decrease those dark circles. Like and comment if you use other mixtures and other products to prevent puffy and dark circles under your eyes. Oh, and remember to share this video and to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when the next video comes out. Until then, keep doing you, trendsetters, because you're all that and some.